In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically add labels to Confluence pages using automation. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a rule that labels pages automatically whenever they're published or updated. Start by opening the Confluence space where you want to enable automatic labeling. Click Space Settings, then select Automation. Click Create Rule to build a new automation. For the trigger, choose Page Published or Page Updated depending on when you want labels to be added. If needed, add one or more conditions to control when the rule runs. For example, you can apply the rule only to pages with specific keywords in the title, pages created by certain users, or pages in a particular section of your space. Next, add an action and select Add Label. Enter the label you want Confluence to apply automatically, such as meeting notes, documentation, or project update. Give your automation rule a clear name, review the configuration, and click Turn On Rule to enable it. From now on, whenever a page matches your trigger and conditions, Confluence will automatically add the specified label, making your content easier to organize and find. And that's how to auto-label pages in Confluence. Thanks for watching.